Where are we at, Georgie?
Oh, she doesn't like being in videos.
Oh no! Tilda, where are we at?
You just...
I don't like being
Sullenberger Aviation Museum.
Yes, we are. Sullenberger Aviation Museum in Charlotte.
butterfly.
So exciting! Trainer.
Advanced trainer.
C-130 Hercules.
We could, technically, there's ways of civilians getting flights on, like, military C-130s.
Oh, that's true.
overseas.
I forgot about that.
Passengers in January.
Tell us about your hobby. What's your hobby?
Watching.
Flight radar. Watching planes take off and take on.
We hear about it all day long, don't we? It's okay. I love your hobby. It is. We're gonna go watch a jet take off. Where? Oh, nice. Oh, this one. This reminds me of a bug. It looks like a bug. It's a mohawk. Nice.
You could never be like out of your seat. Like you could bust your head on easy everything in there. The Navigator. That was a great movie.
When
Imagine turbulence hits and you just hit your head on everything.
pretty sure you're secured.
Ah!
Doesn't fit.
This is bad.
On the ground or not.
Oh yeah. This is the main gallery. Look up. I know. Look. So cool. Matilda, or Georgia.
Yeah.
North Carolina's first in flight, right?
Yeah.
What do you think that is up there? And that one right there. And there. Those are early aircraft. Yeah. Kitty Hawk.
What?
First in flight. See those? Replicas?
Well, no, but like in real life, you can't just sit in an active runway.
The red button's the start button. And then this is the throttle, so this is less throttle. This is the runway you're looking for. This little white building right here, that's us.
Nice.
That's actually the Charlotte Airport.
Oh, nice. Georgia, you're currently actually landing an aircraft.
Right now.
Just kidding.
It's like, wait, what?
It's gentle.
Ooh. Oh. Okay. Oh. And then brake. Yeah,
Gotta stay
brake.
on the ground.
Okay, now keep
Yep.
it push forward.
Brake.
And then with your right thumb, turn the engine down.
Yeah.
Right thumb.
Right
thumb.
thumb.
Push it to the left.
Oh, there you go. You did it.
Alright.
No crash.
What's your first name?
Oh, you control both. So whenever you're drunk and
Usually, like planes, they don't.
It's so cute. Do you imagine being in the air in this thing and just
so
like
much fun.
looking
Be
out
very
the window?
loud,
It'd be so
but-
scary.
I'm not getting in a balloon with you. You're gonna be just going.
Just so you know, there's no way I would ever get in one of these. I would be vomiting the whole time.
How are we gonna fly to our backcountry camping spots?
Not in one of these.
You're not gonna get in
This thing's so cute. You just have to be.
It is, but I would be so seasick in this.
Seasick?
Air sick.
Air sick.
Alright, Georgie.
No. Absolutely not.
Haphazard.
I
Just
know.
like,
It looks like a submarine that accidentally got some blades put on it. They're like, let's put this in the air. So what's this? Explain what this is.
Hudson plane.
What is the Hudson? What happened?
A plane that crashed into, well, got a bird strike and then crashed into the water.
In the Hudson River?
Hudson
Yeah.
River.
In New York.
In
What?
year? 2009?
I didn't get to see the year.
I think it was 2009, they said. Anyway, the plane for that is right here, the jet. Oh my gosh, it's huge. The actual aircraft. It's right here. I know.
On a big plane.
It does the trick. That's also one.
Yeah, but that's. Do not open, hinge removed.
So intense. Wow.
It's scary.
But did anyone die?
No, I don't
No.
think so.
It was successful. Successful landing.
Did these actually work?
I don't know. Take us up. Can you take us up? Go bust out of here. Let's night at the museum this shit.
Yeah. I don't like this. On. Try sitting in the seat.
Okay.
It takes so long. What the hell does this do?
I don't know, but
I don't want to know. Reading light? They have a reading light.
oh no! Whoa! I don't know what those fellas do, but
Back of the seat's the parachute. This is the brake chute.
hey Jess, look up.
One thing about being a fighter pilot, you can't be tall.
Not bad.
I've got a friend on Xbox that works at a tank museum in Canada.
That's cool.
And he helps, like, you know, when you're a teenager and you just want to volunteer,
Yeah,
volunteer to clean up the tanks.
Nice.
That's what he does.
it's awesome. A Sheridan.
And he was like, it's my dream job, and I want to continue doing this forever.
That's awesome.
It looks like it probably would get pretty hot in there when you're just working in there all
Very.
the time.
Choctaw.
That's a good name. Like saying,
Jolly Green Giant. Oh yeah, I forgot about these.
that sounds scary. You calling? There's Jolly Green Giant, come here.
Technically it's a CH3E.
I don't care. Look at the little things that they found.
The blades.
No, planes are so big.
Not little.
Would you ride in it?
No.
Why?
Why are you
The
asking me
turbulence?
why when you wouldn't?
It's a joke.
The turbulence.
I don't know. I
yes.
think that maybe this one wouldn't be as bad because it's bigger. I don't know.
They
I could be
can
wrong.
okay, I don't want anything that can go like that.
Side to side.
Yes.
I just don't know. I don't know. What you got?
Plane toy.
What is it?
It's a F-22.
F-22.
U.S. Air Force pullback.
Yes.
Yeah.
It was fun. What would you rate this?
10 out of 10. I
Yay.
also got
Oh yeah,
sim pilot license.
nice.
They did
Matilda, what would you rate this?
11 out of 10.
Dad, what would you rate this?
Yeah, I agree.
Awesome. I would agree with that. It was amazing. We had so much fun.
Yeah.
Totally worth it.